as part of the development of American sociology, we are continuing with Patricia Hill. Now, she is a spokesperson of black women, where she is saying that the black women can be looked at in multiple hierarchies of domination. So she is moving beyond the standpoint theory, and here she is trying to look at the portrayal of black feminist thought. Now, black feminist thought is reflective of interrelation of gender, race, and ethnicity, and their class. I repeat, the gender, race, and social class. And all these three factors continue intersecting with each other. So, in other words, what we see is, or what Patricia Hill is trying to focus at, is that these black women are, let's say, having a problem on three counts. They are dominated on three counts. First, she is a woman, that's vis-a-vis men. Then she is a black woman, that's vis-a-vis the white woman. And then she is a poor woman compared with the relatively well-off women. So she is critical of the feminist theory developed by white academicians. So they have tried to, the white people have tried to look at the, let's say, experiences of white women. And these experiences may not be relevant to the experiences of black women. Therefore, her focus is on the lived experiences of black women. So we see that she is emphasizing on the portrayal of the words of black women from their own perspectives, from their own vision, from their own standpoints. And this is not necessarily that she is trying to compare it with white women. So focus is on, let us say, the knowledge, the epistemology. So what this knowledge is and how this knowledge is acquired. So how this knowledge is acquired, that reflects, in her opinion, that reflects the interests and standpoints of the creators. That's a general kind of statement. And if the creators of the knowledge are powerful people, that might be reflecting their viewpoint. And if the creators of the knowledge are the white women, then that will be reflecting their viewpoints, and these viewpoints may not be relevant to the black women. So that is how we see that epistemology reflects the power of the group that creates particular knowledge. So with respect to the knowledge about the black feminist theory, knowledge controlled and validated by white elite, and these elites can be both men as well as women. First, these were men, then we see when that feminist theory comes in, it was more created by the white women. So what she is advocating is the use of the objective approach, and then she says the black women, maybe American or African Americans, are disadvantaged on multiple counts. And these counts, as I have already said, can be on the basis of, let's say, gender, then on the basis of race, and then on the basis of the social class. So black feminist thought gets excluded or distorted. And that is how we see that if the knowledge is created by the, let's say, powerful, and here she is referring to the white supremacy, which was first focused on by men and then women, then it is not reflective of the experiences of the black women. So that is the viewpoint of Collins.